Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a thank you page that reinforces leads to actually show up to the call. Now, the generic approach is where you just say thank you for booking and check your email. Okay, this does absolutely nothing in terms of reinforcing their decision to book a call. They may not even remember what time they booked the call for, right? And you want to make sure that if for whatever reason they don't get your email or they don't see it, you want to make sure that they know exactly when the call is, and you want to give them pre-call content, but you also want to enable them to quickly add the call to their calendar. And so this is what an optimized experience looks like, where you show them exactly the call that was booked with who, at what date, and what time, and showing them a video that allows them to be prepared for the call. So this is what the ideal page looks like. It's hosted on your own domain with your own branding. You have your own content on there with your own video, and you have the iClose widget embedded so that they can see the exact call details. So this widget here is going to allow them to not only see the date and time that the call was booked for, it's also going to enable them to see the host, but it's also going to allow them to quickly add the call to their calendar as well. So these are just some basic thank you page best practices. You want to have the iClose widget embedded so that they can see the call details. You want to have some sort of pre-call content that gets them excited for the call. Of course, you want to give them just some basic instructions like, hey, make sure you show up to the call on time, make sure you're in a quiet place, make sure that if you have a business partner, that the business partner is also added to the event and shows up to the call with you. You want to give them a checklist of anything that they need to have prepared for the call. You want to set expectations to outline what's going to happen during the call. Of course, you want to sprinkle in some social proof, right? And ideally, you even want to have some sort of urgency element as well. So this is how you make it feel real. And by doing these things, you're not only going to increase your show rate, but you're also going to increase your close rate as well. All right, so if you head back over to iClose, you can click on AI Scheduler, you go to Events, click on your event, click on Confirmation Page, scroll down, and then you're going to choose Redirect to an External URL. Here's where you put in your thank you page link, and then this is the code that you want to embed on your page. So ideally, you have your headline, you have your subtext, you have your welcome video, and then you have this embedded below that so they know exactly when the call is, who the host is, and they're able to quickly add the call to their calendar. This is going to make sure that people show up to the call, and more importantly, it's going to make sure that they are prepared for the call. So this is only going to take you guys a few minutes to set up, but I highly recommend you guys take the time to do this. Doing so is going to maximize your show rate, and it's going to increase your close rate. So with that, we've reached the end of the show rate optimization course, and I will see you guys in the next one.